These are the dogs available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at the end of the day, Tuesday, September the 17th. Our first dog today is Cher. Cher is 1.5 years old and she weighs about 50 pounds. She was found as a stray and brought into the shelter. She's a medium energy level dog that does like to play. And she recently had a cold and was in our isolation area, but has since gotten over her cold and come back out for adoptions. Her serial number is 304645. And this tiny little thing is 4 months old. She doesn't even have a name yet. Right now she weighs about 12 pounds, but she'll probably be a 35-pound dog when she's done growing. Okay, or maybe bigger. Her serial number is 306161. Our next dog is also a puppy who is easy to walk on a leash. This sweetheart is named Finn, and she is 8 months old. She weighs 28 pounds and knows the basic command of sit. She craves attention, and her serial number is 306629. Also waiting for a home is Chemo. Chemo is 1.5 years old and 65 pounds. An active dog, though you couldn't tell from the video. He's been with us a little while, so we've reduced his adoption from our normal $40 to $25. His serial number is 305248. And we still have this 5-month-old rambunctious little puppy named Orko. It's a combination of Oreo and Orca. Her brother's been adopted, and she's still here. She weighs 18 pounds. Her serial number is 305295. This is Charlie the Shar-Pei mix. She's got wrinkly skin and loves playing in the water. She is a sweetie. She weighs 50 pounds, and she's 3.5 years old. Another one of our kennel cough or doggy cold dogs that was in isolation. And you can see the isolation dogs by going onto our website, www.pinellascounty.org/animal services. On that page, you can see photographs of many other animals that are not on this video. Charlie's serial number is 304580. Danny is a playful dog. He often will bow when he brings you a toy to invite you to come and play with him. He weighs 55 pounds and he's 1 year old. His serial number is B as in Bassett 303747. Emmy Lou is in pen 102. She is 4 years old and just as playful as a Dr. Seuss character. She'll play fetch and sit on command, and she walks pretty well on a leash also. Her serial number is 304993. Rusty, a.k.a. Fluff Fluff, still here, still waiting, looking for a home. He's been here for several months now. He weighs 58 pounds and is 2 years old. He likes to have belly rubs, and he'll play fetch also. His serial number is 301536. This is Harper, another puppy. We got a lot of young dogs right now. Harper is 9 months old and weighs 35 pounds. He's not going to get a lot bigger. Maybe he'll be 40 pounds when he's done growing. And look at that, he knows the basic command set. He's been with us long enough that we've reduced him to $25 as well. His serial number is 303625. Gracie Slick is 2 years old. She weighs 54 pounds. And she's a medium energy level dog. One that likes to play. She'll need a lot of toys. She really likes tennis balls. Her serial number is 305697. Another puppy. This is Ivy. Ivy is 8 months old. She weighs 42 pounds. She'll probably gain another 5, maybe 10 pounds when she's done growing. She's a medium energy level dog, but she's not difficult to walk on a leash. Her serial number is 304273. Mercy is still here. She has brown eyes that match her pretty brown coat. She is a year old and very active. She weighs 40 pounds. And her serial number is 303615. Miss Cleo is relaxing. She weighs 45 pounds and she's a year old. She's an active girl who also had kennel cough or a doggy cold. She's been with us long enough that she's been reduced to $25 as well. Her serial number is 303159. This dog is like a light switch. He'll be lazy when he's inside, but open that door and off he runs to play. Huck is 4 years old and 57 pounds. His serial number is 304613. This big pretty dog is Reddington, a 2-year-old that weighs 65 pounds. One of our bigger dogs in adoptions right now. He likes to get hugs. His serial number is 304894. Dixie is a 1-year-old who is easy to walk on a leash. She weighs 35 pounds. Her serial number is B as in Bassett, 304721. This is Aretha. Aretha looks like she's a puppy, but she's not. She's actually 4 years old. She's an active girl, and she weighs 40 pounds. Her serial number is 305701. Vito is a puppy. He is 8 months old and 45 pounds. He looks like he's actually weighs more than that. He doesn't. He'll need a lot of frisbees because he likes to chase toys. His serial number is 305445. Here comes Tango, he's ready to dance. He's 4.5 and 40 pounds. Tango will play with toys and he'll play fetch. His serial number is 303491. This active girl is Marcy. She just came in from a walk. She's a 1.5 years old and 40 pounds. Her serial number is 304893. This beautiful dog is one of our most active and most intelligent dogs. This is Frazier. Frazier knows sit and shake. He'll come when called, and he'll play fetch as well. He's a 1.5 years old and he weighs 57 pounds. Frazier's serial number is 300534. This cutie pie is Chooch. Chooch is 10 months old, so still a puppy. Chooch weighs 42 pounds. He's one of our newer dogs in adoptions. His serial number is B as in border collie, 306557. Bosco is a 3-year-old who often smiles. Bosco weighs about 50 pounds and will sit on command, shake, and fetch as well. Bosco's serial number is 305292. This is Buzz. Short for Buzz Lightyear because he's adventurous and playful. He's 10 months old, still a puppy. He'll sit on command and he weighs 52 pounds. His serial number is B as in Bassett, 305634. Chewing on his Kong toy is Lance. a dog that comes when called. He weighs 55 pounds and he's pretty active. He's 6 years old. His serial number is B as in Brittany Spaniel, 304740. We have a lot of animals, so almost every cage is full right now. This is Sammy, a 6.5-year-old who weighs 50 pounds. He is easy to walk on a leash. I'm sorry, she is easy to walk on a leash. Sammy is a girl. Her serial number is 306709. Sheila is another easygoing girl who weighs 40 pounds, and she is 2 years old. She was turned in by her owner. She's got a little bit of an underbite there, too. Her serial number is 305989. This is Cece. Cece knows shake and likes to play in the pool. She also will sit on command. She weighs 29 pounds, and she's a year old. And her serial number is B as in Briard, 304723. This is Molly, a big hound. She weighs 40 pounds, and she is a year old. She likes to gallop, and she likes to sniff everything. Her serial number is 306852. Miss Tessa has been with us for several months now. She weighs 38 pounds. She's really looking for a home. She came in at 7 months old, and she's actually almost 11 months old. Hope we get her adopted before she has her first birthday here. Her serial number is 301744. This is Rocco, our resident big boy. He's well behaved, but he's really playful, and he weighs 75 pounds. He's 3 years old. His serial number is 304066. This is Zach. Zach weighs 45 pounds, and he'll sit on command. A very smart dog that loves to prance. He is a year and a half old. And last in our adoptions is Rita, another puppy. Rita is 5 months old and weighs close to 20 pounds. She's got some growing to do. She'll probably be a 40-pound dog when she's done growing. Her serial number is 308124. Well, that's all the dogs available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at the end of the day. Tuesday, September the 17th. All the dogs in today's video will be available for adoption when the shelter reopens tomorrow morning on Wednesday the 18th. Adoptions are available on weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Also, look on our website to see videos of even more animals that are available for adoption. We hope that you come and adopt one of our homeless pets soon.